Milsek Furniture Polish, and today I want to show you how to use our furniture polish and multi-purpose cleaner. Our furniture polish has been total home cleaning since 1914. It's available in our lemon scent, our orange scent, and a cinnamon raspberry holiday scent. Milsek is so easy to use. All you do is pour it on a slightly dampened cloth, which activates our cleaning agent, and you wipe down the cabinet. So as you see here, I have a nice dirty cabinet with lots of grease and grime. You just wipe right down with the grain of the wood, and Milsek cuts right through that grease, restoring the shine to the wood and leaving behind organic oils to nourish that wood and rejuvenate that wood and restore it to its natural luster. Look at that dirt that was removed from the cabinet and look at the shine that was left behind.